Yes, so we already have our first duo na pasok sa Big Four, which is Chares! Chares! Diba? Do you guys think they deserve the spot? Yes, of course, no? As in like landslide good ang ilahang pagkadaog as the first Big Four nga duo. And I am also happy na naapoy ng vote ni Rawi and also for Azver, no? Because I think they also really deserve that spot. I wish nga gihatag lang tato ni Kuya sa ilaha, no? Automatic ba nga naa sila votes niya paghuman ang i-nominate or maglaban na lang is ang Dasbia o ang Breka. So quite disappointed kay Brent. You know, I like Brent and Mika especially. I was a little bit disappointed, no, not a little bit, but really disappointed with him, with his attitude. Katong iyang giingon kay kinsa ni kay Kira. Ang iyang giingon ni Kira when Kira asked him na wala siya masyadong ganap, di ba? Wala siya gipakita masyado sa iyang self. So Kira was like, who are you? We don't know you so much. Who are you? Di ba? I think it should have been his redemption. He should have used that to really introduce himself, you know, the reasons and all of that. But then he chose the other way, right? Minaldito. Wala man, abtoy man siguro ni si Brent. No, what do you think? Feel na ko abtoy siya, mayat siya, no? Pero kanang his answer was more yung gibalik ni Kira, who are you? Who is Kira Ballinger? Nobody cares about Kira Ballinger. That's why you got evicted, bro. So pero that was off. Hindi yun slay. It was really off. The fact na sinabihan niyo sa babae. And aside from that, so does it mean lahat ng mga does it mean that everyone na got evicted, they're nothing because they got evicted, including Shukla? Diba? So na-disappoint yung ko ni Brent. And then actually sa ilahang duo, and before I was rooting for them as well to be part of the Big Four. Well, yeah, rather than Dasbia, no? Because para nako dili gyud deserving ang Dasbia ma Big Four. Pero with the turnout of events murag feel nako mas deserve na ang Dasbia mahimong Big Four. And I think we should just allow Mika and Brent to go outside of the house because they don't want to be part of the Big Four anyway. They're willing to give their spot. So, diba? I mean, parang there's no drive or willingness. Sayang lang. So,